and welcome to the Global Business Group, where we aim to unlock the potential of international business, providing unique local business solutions internationally. We specialize in business advisory, import and export opportunities, market entry, investments, and funding to help you achieve your business goals. Now, let's get into today's business day.
We are now to the business day and the business event. So we start discussing about these innovative products for consumers worldwide with Jose Ramon Campos.
Good morning. My name is Jose Ramon Campos, and in this opportunity, I am going to present you our Spanish 3D Lab group. First of all, we want to thank to all for you giving this opportunity to introduce ourselves to you, and especially to Miguel Mula for inviting us. 3D Lab Group has more than 25 years of experience in the development, creation, and manufacturing of products. We are located in Barcelona and Alicante, and we are a team of more than 40 people working directly and other 80 people working indirectly with us. We work with 4 own brands and other brands belonging to our customers whom we develop and manufacture products. We work with several services. We work in the different steps for development and put technological products in the market. We design the whole products. We design, develop, and assemble electronic devices. We manufacture molds for plastic injection. We have a product assembly line, and we handle product logistics and warehousing. Our portfolio of products. We will now do a brief introduction to our portfolio of products what we currently are working. The first group of products are the products under the brand Oceanic. This brand is also a company of the group. In this case, we have 4 products, all of them focused on hygiene and disinfection of the air, water, of objects. With these devices, we have 3 patents registered worldwide. The first product is the purified bottle. This bottle contains in the cap an electronic device that produces ozone and inject it into the water, eliminating all viruses and bacteria that are contained in it. The second product is an air purifier. It's designed to be placed in the workplace, especially in office, cleaning the air and using a very hygienic environment. The third product is a refrigerator sterilizer. These devices can be placed inside the refrigerator and eliminates viruses and bacteria that cause bad odor that is generally present inside the refrigerator. The fourth product is the pacifier sterilizer for babies, so the parents can easily disinfect the pacifier when they are out and about. Here are bigger pictures of the product. You have this presentation with you, and you can see in the presentation that we have some links that you can click and see more details in every product that you want, okay? The new soap brand is another brand owned by the group and is specialized in products for pets. In this slide, we have 7 products as an example. We don't have time to everything in detail, so we highlight these 2 products. The first is a pet lash that contains a tank with sterilizing liquid and to clean what you go soiling your pet when you go down the street. we have in this product several designs, each of them adapted to different needs and different preferences of the users. I don't know if you know that in Spain is legally obliged to clean all your pets solely in the street. Is mandatory. Then it's important for the people have this product here in Spain. We have another line of products. His name is BSDI Garden. We have a line of indoor garden products under this name, and this is a specialized line in indoor garden. The first one, the blue smart garden, is a small garden that generates a microclimate with dew, ideal to have our small garden in perfect humidity conditions. We also have products for indoor garden design, so the user can design their own garden at their place. The VSDI have a line of business of product development. This company have developed several products for different clients. In this, here we have three examples. The first of one is the eco bike battery for the bike. A company contract us to design the container of the battery, especially specialized with several features. The second one is the chlorine dispenser and controlling system for swimming pools. This device has electronic inside to control the quality of the water in the swimming pool. And the third one was a product on good sales during the pandemic. It is a dispenser for gel. Was designed quickly to a client of us. Other products. Here we have more products that we design and manufacture. For example, here we can see a headset that when worn around the neck allows you to listen to music and the street while riding a bike or a skateboard. Also be able to listen what is happening in this outside environment, reducing the risk of accidents. We have developed the second product for a client of us. This is a mopping equipment which contains several patented features and advantage in its functionality. This product has 3 patents. This advantage helps to make the cleaning job easier with less effort and also avoid possible injuries that are common in people who continuously use the mop. The third product is a device that allows the recycling of standard Nespresso coffee capsules. It allows the coffee capsules to be completely cleaned, leaving it ready for recycling. This company's IR Technology is our company of the group that is specialized in electronics development. This company have a lot of products developed, and this is only 4 examples. Here we can see one product that is selling now in the United States. Is a simulator for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Is measure all the signals and permit the training of the people that need these skills. This is the electronic for the pets devices that we saw before. Here, this is electronic for the Frigo sterilizer, and also this company developed an application for automatic the conduction. Well, I hope that with this brief exposition, you can have a more clear idea of the products and especially the design, development, and manufacturing capability that we have in the group. We appreciate the opportunity to have introduce yourselves. I am at your disposal if you have any question or if any one of you like to expand in any information. Thank you.
Thank you, Jose Ramon. I think it's important to send this presentation to all the associates because they can link to the video, to see video of each and more information of each product. Okay.
Exactly, because there are some products that certainly need more deep analysis, and they can be absolutely interesting for the different countries that we represent. So absolutely, yes, this is extremely important. Do you have a minimum order quantity for these products in general?
Well, actually, I think for exportation, one pallet. For example, in the case of the bottle, one pallet are 200 bottles. Or we don't have any other requirement because the transport is more efficient, no? When you use a pallet.
Mm-hmm. And you have ISO, you have patented authorizations, etc. But are you already covering, for example, EU? ISO, you have EU stamps on the certification. Are you covering already the need of EU in general?
For Europe, yes, we have the registered patent, and
are you supplying already these products also?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, maybe Jacek asked for.
We are sorry, Manuela.
Yeah.
We are in this moment developing another product, but we not didn't present that product because are not ready yet. We just present the product that are ready to sell.
Okay, wonderful. And do you have clients? I represent Italy. Do you have clients in Italy already, for example?
Where?
Italy.
Do you have a client in Italy, for example?
No. In Italy, no.
Could you be interested?
Only we have an anecdotic situation when we start to sell the products in Amazon Spain. The first client was from Italy. So we don't send in Italy.
Okay. Yes. Great. There are some issues some items I'm interested in. So at least we will certainly speak about. Jacek.
Well, I am engineer in electronics. I see lots of your inventions are based on electronics. Can you tell us a few things? Do you produce this stuff on your own, or you use outsourcing services? And where is it done? Europe, Far East? Tell us a bit.
We design there in Alicante. We design. We import the minimum components. Minimum components are we assembly all of them in Spain.
Okay, so what's your standard procedure? Do you produce on order, or you have a stock of certain products? Some, I don't know, couple of thousand still, and these are normally available for distribution. What are your plans, maybe? Huh?
We have a certain stock right now, but of course we are the American company. We don't have great quantities, but we have a minimum stock.
And as an example, if I will have abnormal order, yes, maybe not standard product or maybe not standard quantity, what would be the lead time? How long shall we wait for delivery? How many weeks approximately?
Okay, during the crisis of the pandemic, our process was delayed more than three months. But right now, we think that the process has been normalized. We don't. I think that our wait time may be 45 days or 2 months.
Okay, so 1.5 up to 2 months. Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe one more question about the pricing. How would you position the pricing? These are the hobbies. These are the niche products, as far as I remember, as I understand. What would be your pricing positioning. For example, how much would the bottle for
Yes, our products
system cost for the end user?
Yes, yes, yes. Our products are especially from niche. We don't want to compete in the low end of the market. For example, the bottle is sell right now. The detail price is 69 euros. 69 euros in Spain
euros.
and in French too. Yes, yes, and it's the retail price, and the distribution price is 23, 24, depending on the quantities.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, it is
Remember one of the characteristics of this bottle is the first impression that the people have. This is a normal bottle because it's all the technology is assembly in the cap, and you can't see any difference between the water purifier bottle and a normal bottle that costs 10 euros or 8 euros. But our competition only have one competition that use the UV ray system, and it costs 100 euros.
Mm-hmm.
100.
Yeah, I understand. You ozonize the water. You have all the appliance in the cup to ozonize it. Yes.
Yes.
So, how efficient is it? Can I take the water from the street and clean it and drink it?
Yes.
Okay, so this would be useful for army, for example. Yeah.
For example, yes, exactly. And it's the only one product because we have the patent, but don't have the strongest in the market to show our product on the market. It's very costly. We are step by step.
Mm. Look, my very fresh opinion is it's a perfect product because it's niche. It's very high margin for everyone. I mean, for you, for distributor and the dealer, and you have quite a small competition in that area. Yes, the only problem is the quantities are not great. But I believe it's very good product, and any one of us can try in their market to place it. I think the opportunity is great. Yeah.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
Especially in the countries that have a problem with water. Probably here in Spain, we don't have a very strong problem with the water, but also there are a lot of countries that have a problem, and the people that practices outdoor sports is a very, very useful devices.
Well, I mean the whole range of your products, not only the water purifier. Yes. As a general, you target the niche, not the big quantities, high margins. It's great.
Yes.
You talked about sanitizing of some objects, but the picture I saw, it's a small object. For example, for kitchen restoration, industrial kitchens, there is this issue for knives, for example. Is there something in particular already studied for this particular object, which are quite small but long?
Yes, we know that the devices that sanitize bigger spaces, but in this case we have a lot of competition.
Okay.
Then we prefer to concentrate in this case because we don't have any competition.
Okay. Thank you. Other questions from someone else? Something that Miguel wants to add, maybe?
Is dropshipping possible with this?
Just now, we are beginning to do drop shipping in France.
Okay.
Yes, we can study the case. If you want, no problem.
Okay.
We study the case.
Because right now, I think that is the way the world is moving towards, especially on these niche type of products. And with Amazon and things like that, Amazon is, I think, based out of India right now. So because of the region, I think drop shipping is picking up in this region rather than people stocking and keeping stuff.
Perfect, Chair.
Jose Ramon, maybe one more question. You have some experience with Spanish market, do you? So what is the comparison? Because it's a perfect product for e-shopping, for online shops, yes? Through Amazon or whatever. What is the comparison between retail and online shops in Spain? How much do you sell this and that? How much percentage is sold by you this and that way? Can you give us some numbers or some idea?
Yes. Our this product are very relatively new, and we only have experience online. We don't have any physical distribution yet here in Spain.
Okay.
And as you can see, only right now we only sell in Amazon. We are developing a project for selling our own e-commerce. It's not working yet.
Do you work also with other e-retailers? I mean, the other companies that have their own shops,
yes.
e-shops.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, I have one question. Do you also work with other marketplaces? Let's say in Bulgaria and Romania, eMAG is very popular.
Not yet. Our strategies have been focused in, first of all, test our products in Spain and the Western countries, for example, Portugal, France, Italy.
Okay.
And after that, go to another 5 countries. The experience with the Poland lead that we are working is because they find us. I don't know how, but they contact us 6 months ago, and we start to work with them.
Okay.
Yes, there is a lot of product. You can see all the products have copyright, and they are a very innovative company. There is a lot of product focuses on the production, designing, and they need help to expand the business in other countries. Okay, so they are focused on designing, production, but it's the way, because they are ready to go out to sell more. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity to try to check all the possibility in Bulgaria, in any country for e-commerce or for, I think I agree with Jacek, it's a perfect product for e-commerce, I think. So in the PDF, you will be able to go inside of the videos of each product and study which one can be more convenient for each market, I think.
Yes, please, Miguel, at the end of the meeting, share with our WhatsApp group the presentation so that we can, unless you allow me to share the one you already sent to me, and in order that everyone can check directly the different links, because the technical information, the different videos and the website is certainly something that can be absolutely necessary. Because products are very, very interesting in this case. Thank you. Thank you very much.
One last question, only, yeah. Manuel and Miguel. It's important to communicate you that we have capacity in design, develop, and manufacturing of every product that's similar that you see in the presentation. These are our capacities. We want to produce every product that can be aligned with our skills. Keep in mind, Miguel. Thank you.
Yes.
What if any possible supplier or distributor, for example, in Italy, in consideration of a chain where they could sell? What if they ask you for the purchase of a few samples of one of each, for example, to understand if they can fit the market? Is it possible? Purchasing, not for free, of course.
Yes, this is our policy. We have sample kits. Normally use 4 products, 8 products, and you can see it, different colors, different shapes, and you can evaluate the products, and after that we can continue
purchasing. Okay.
Yes, and we use the wholesale price for these samples.
Okay. Thank you very much. I think if we don't have other questions, we can start thinking of the conclusion of this meeting. Do you think there is anything else to say? Probably not. I just remind that I'm very quickly re-preparing some presentation just before because we stopped before. So we just remind that the Global Business Group is business advisory, is import-export opportunities, it's a market entry, is investment and funding, and the Global Business Group is available with all details in our website, www.globalbusiness.group. We have, as I said, we have uploaded the different presentation in our YouTube channel. You will find very quickly also the one coming from today. Our LinkedIn is also available for anyone who would like to write, share, like, etc. Our website and WhatsApp group for the leads are also available. And we are now reaching the end of our meeting of today. If I have acted properly, this should be the conclusion of the event.
Thanks for joining in. We'll see you at the same time next week. In the meantime, be sure to check out our website, www.globalbusiness.group. The Global Business Group, making international business easy.